Hey everybody, it's Jason with All-Star Welding in Seneca, South Carolina. Well, today's the day we're going to give away to one lucky winner this Titanium Flux Core 125 welding machine. I've already got it boxed up, taped up. The welding machine is inside this box. It's brand new. When you open it up, be careful because the receipt for it is inside the titanium box, and I did pay for the 1-year warranty. So when you open it up, pull that receipt out, put it away someplace safe in case you need it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this drawing now, and I use a random comment picker on my phone, and I've already got the link to the video loaded up. So let's see who the lucky winner is. Let me get this to where you can see it. All right, so I just hit this start button and I wait. The winner is Starfire 333. Let's see if I can get it to where you can see it. Starfire 333. And he says, liked and subscribed. If I won this machine, I would gift it to my dad for his Christmas gift as his old flux machine stopped working. Wow. That is great. That's a true winner right there. You're going to win this brand new flux core machine, and you're going to give it to your dad because his stopped working. Man, that's awesome. So Starfire 333, get in touch with me. This is yours. Give me your address. This will be at the UPS office in the morning on its way to you. And congratulations again, Starfire 333. We had 181 entries, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. And as long as I can, I'm going to continue to give away stuff. I've been giving away one of these titanium machines about every 2 months. So y'all make sure you subscribe, keep checking back, make sure you hit that notification button so that you'll be notified every time I make a new video, because I might have another video about another giveaway coming pretty soon. But anyway, Starfire 333, congratulations. I hope you enjoy it. And everybody, I really appreciate you guys. I just can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Maybe you're learning something from me, maybe you're not, I don't know. But leave a comment. You know, if you're a subscriber to my channel, that I respond to every single comment that you guys make. And have a great weekend, and have a wonderful Christmas, and we'll see you shortly.